Hello everyone. Today I want to share a thought provoking story about life, perspective, and the choice we make. In the bustling heart of the city, where time seemed to move faster and dreams often felt out of reach, there lived a man named Ethan. He had a good job, a comfortable apartment, and all trappings of successful life. Yet, yet deep inside he felt an emptiness that he could not quite define. One evening, as he walked home from work, he noticed an old man sitting on a park bench. The old man eyes sparkled with a wisdom that intrigued Ethan. Curiosity getting the better of him, Ethan decided to strike off a conversation. The old man introduced himself as a Mr. Montgomery. He had a weatherhood face that told tales of yours well lived. They talked about life, dreams, and the pursuit of happiness. Mr. Montgomery shared stories of his youth, the adventure he had, the people he had met. Ethan listened, captivated by the richness of his experience. As they spoke, Mr. Montgomery said something that struck a chord within Ethan. Life is canvas, he said, his eyes twinkling. It's not just about the big strokes. It's about the details, the colors, and the movements in the between. Sometimes we get so caught up in the grand picture that we forget to appreciate the beauty of the smaller, everyday things. This word in Ethan's mind long after their conversation ended. He began to pay attention to the little thing, the laughter of children in the park, the aroma of freshly brewed coffee, the warmth of the stranger's smile. Slowly he started to see the world differently. Within his newfound perspective, Ethan found a joy in unexpected place. He noticed the way the sunlight danced through his window each morning and the comfort of the quiet evening spent with a good book. He embraced the simplicity of life and found fulfillment in the moments that he had previously overlooked. Ethan's transformation did not go unnoticed. His friends and colleagues remarked on the newfound glow in his eyes and the genuine smile that now graced his lips. He was no longer chasing after something elusive. He had found contentment in the present moment. In time, Ethan realized that life was not about destination, but the journey. It was about finding beauty in the ordinary, learning from the challenges, and cheering the connection that made life meaningful. So so Ethan's story became a remember to all who knew him that happiness was not a grand pursuit built but a series of small precious moments woven together. He had learned the profound truth that richness lay in the tapestry of everyday happiness. The end.